Hey, want to learn how to prime your miniatures without an airbrush? These 3D printed miniatures look great, but they need paint. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Andrew. In this video, I show you how you prime 3D printed resin miniatures without an airbrush. So the first thing I do is I want to mount these 3D printed miniatures on a base so that I can hold them with my painting handle. In this case, I just use a bit of super glue on this 30mm round base, pressing firmly, pretty quick and easy. And there you are. It's a very nice 3D printed miniature that I got from Captain Con last year. Anyway, I start with a Vallejo Surface Primer, straight from the pot using this ceramic palette. I don't use any water, it's straight from the bottle. The temperature of my room is about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a bit warm, 55% relative humidity, just so you have an idea of the environment. The primer goes on pretty quickly, it's pretty easy, just using a synthetic gold brush, applying it all around to preserve the details. Use a dabbing motion to prevent bubble buildup. I've done a video on this before, but this is a little more detailed. I use a hair dryer to speed up the process of it drying. This gets rid of any of those imperfections in the primer and speeds up the entire drying process. I love using one. Everyone should have a hair dryer. Anyway, here's the detail close up. You can see that the primer is applied very thinly. A little bit of the plastic or the underlying surface should show, and that's okay. It takes less than a minute. Super fun, super easy, great results. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.